back on.
What's going on YouTube, man? Let's get started, man. We're gonna go into an 86 sessions meet. It's been a while since we covered one of those videos. Woo, man, it's a good day. I'm excited because every time I go, there's always something new that I see on somebody's car, and that's what makes it so interesting, is because we get to see the type of growth that they experience through their cars, you know what I'm saying? Like, you get to see their modifications, whether they just focused on what's inside or what's outside, you know what I mean? Let's get it, man, let's get it. What's this? Ooh. Man, you guys, Bobby really came through, man, because he got us the exhaust. Wow, what a difference. Oh, what a difference. Dang. This is what I'm excited about, man. This is awesome. Woo! Yo, we just got here, man, and everyone's rolling in like literally right now. So let's go check out some of these cars, man. Everybody's out here, man. Look at this beautiful car too, man. Hey, what? I can't have anybody taking videos and pictures of my car until we get this thing clean, man. So let's get this thing clean while everything's lined up, and man, we got some good stuff today, man.
What 86 Sessions is, we meet up once a month on a pretty consistent basis. It's a bunch of 86 owners pretty much getting together, talk shop.
Woo! Yeah! We're highlighting Thomas's car. Let's go check this out.
As far as stance is concerned. But what he's doing right now is he's taking out the rear bumpers, and whatever.
Honestly, tip one, just take all the clips out of everything so that way you can take stuff off easy. I mean, like the bumper's held on with like 3 bolts. That one's 2 screws. These are BC extreme lows, and then I just cut the top mount of it, the lower mount. So, and then you can also you can do the Honda mod by just bending the little safety tabs so that it doesn't fly all the way open. Just cut up my coils so that way it can be maxed out low. Still just running stock top hats. It's nothing much. 20 mil spacer in the front, 18 9.5 plus 38, I think is what these are. And it's about like -4 front, negative like 9 rear. Then just stance V2, lower control arms. You can do PBMs and you get plenty low. I just went stance V2 because they could ship to my house within a week.
Does it affect your gas mileage?
If anything, I get better gas mileage because I drive slower. You can see the messed up Tomei exhaust. If anything, that's the other thing. If you run like a 3-inch exhaust, it's gonna scrape a lot. You just gotta let it happen. If you get a titanium one, it'll like bash up and in instead of making holes in it. But if you have a steel exhaust, it'll make holes in it and then it gets crappy exhaust leaks.
Sorry, I'm all about like balance. So this side is unbalanced. Back to the center.
Well, that's it, you guys, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the 86 sessions with me, man. I love this place. Man. These guys are so nice. But anyways, man, I'll see you guys later. GT Charlie out, man. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and then like again, then like a different video. And you already know what to do, man. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace! Guys.